Hey, Victoria Tier here, coming to you from VictoriaTierLifestyle.com. Alright, so are you guys ready to learn how you can handle the objection? How much money do you make? Now, many of you have probably gotten that question from a lot of people, and you kind of just stumble and go blank because you haven't made any money yet, right? Well, in this video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you a great way to answer that objection. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing you need to understand is why someone may be asking you that question to begin with. I mean, hello, this is America. Isn't it kind of rude to ask someone how much money they're making? Most traditionally, people don't go around asking people how much money that they're making. A lot of times they ask that question because they're very skeptical about the business, and many times the reason why they're skeptical about the business is also because of the way you are posturing yourself when you are presenting the business to them. Now, if you appear, guys, insecure, desperate, and out of place, then yeah, people will feel a little bit skeptical about you and will question your credibility and ask you just point blank, how much are you making? What they're really asking is, why should I believe you? That's what they're really asking. But guys, many times when you appear professional and secure about your business opportunity, people wouldn't even think to ask you how much you are making. That question would just not come up. And a lot of times they know you're new, so they know you're probably just building and not making any kind of money right away anyhow. So if you appear professional, they won't really bother you with that question. Okay, so many of you are new and you're thinking, how on earth am I going to appear confident and credible? Well, you can, guys. How do you do that? Number one, you can start educating yourself about the industry and start sharing valuable content to the marketplace. Position yourself as a leader, and that creates posture. Therefore, people wouldn't even think to ask you that question because they don't have a reason to doubt you. They already know that you're new and you're beginning, and you're gonna probably rock this business. And if you look confident enough, they're gonna wanna rock this business with you. That's usually how it works. Okay, so the second thing that you're gonna do if they do ask you that question, you just be direct. Tell them the truth, of course, and speak with confidence about your business and leverage your team leaders and their successes. Tell the truth always, and tell them that you are learning from the best right now, and with the guidance and step-by-step trainings that you are getting right now, you are well on your way to success. And if they like, they can join you on this journey and also be guided by the top leaders in this industry. That's pretty much it, guys. If they're still hesitant, it's cool. Continue to keep them in the loop with what you're doing, and I'll tell you why in a bit. You see, guys, there is something really awesome about being new in this industry. You can actually use it as leverage to grow your team even faster. You want to know how you can do that? Well, what you're gonna do is you're gonna bust your butt and you do whatever it takes to get results. And when you do, those results will be much more effective, guys, because you're new. See, it's more effective than someone who's been in the industry for a long time, because people will want to know how you got started and got results so quickly. It's more effective because this means that they can do it too and get fast results too if they followed you and signed up with you, because they know you can help them figure it out faster because you obviously did. And you know those people that were hesitant earlier that you kept in the loop? Well, they will hit you up and say, hey, what gives? Spill the beans, and end up signing up with you. You see how effective this can be and how great it can work for you? So guys, use the newness to your advantage. I learned this actually from Erin Birch, who's also an amazing leader in one of the companies that I'm a part of, and also an amazing leader in this industry. She went from 0 to 6 figures in less than a year. If she can do it, heck, you and I can do it. So guys, I hope you found value in this, and if you want to learn how she and I are getting the results in this industry, watch the video above or below. It's about a system that we use that is showing us how to get results much faster. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next video. If you want more free trainings like this, like my fan page, of course, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and head over to my blog at VictoriaTierLifestyle.com. See you soon. Bye.